Warm greetings everyone. This is Priyanshi Tyagi. Your sports news anchor is back with another engrossing news for the day. You are watching your channel, The Hot Trip. So the first engrossing news for the day is, what is Cristiano Ronaldo salaried at Al Nassr? Cristiano Ronaldo completed his move to Saudi Arabia-based club Al Nassr on Friday, December 30. He is now set to be unveiled by the side before making his debut for them. The Portuguese has signed a lucrative deal that will see him stay with the side until 2025, while earning a whopping of $177 million. That is around $200 million per year. The exorbitant salary that he will earn in the Saudi Arabia makes him the highest paid footballer in the world. And by quite a distance, Ronaldo's total earning at Al Nassr per year are just short of what Paris Saint-Germain, that is PSG, superstars Lionel Messi and Neymar earn a combined basis. While the Argentina icon takes home $107 million per year, his teammate earns around $78.5 million. Their salaries total to $185.5 million, like just $8.5 million more than Cristiano Ronaldo's wages in Saudi Arabia. So we are here with another news for the day. Australia versus South Africa. Marnus Labuschagne signals for secret lighter to repair his helmet. Well, let's look into the news. One of the most weird signals cricket fans witnessed was when a non-smoker, Marnus Labuschagne, asked for a secret lighter while he was at the crease on day one of the third test here on Wednesday. During a break in play, Labuschagne was seen miming a lighter and smoking while also pointing to his helmet. When the lighter was taken to him, Labuschagne lighted the lighter and burned some of the material in his helmet. Maybe some of the material just on the other underside is just fraying a little bit and he might just want to burn that frayed material, but I'm not sure, said former Australia batsman Michael Hussey. So we are here with the last but not the least news for the day. Cristiano Ronaldo stumbles over Al Nassr mega move. Football superstar Cristiano Ronaldo made a slip of the tongue over his megabucks new deal on Tuesday when he seemed to say he had moved to South Africa rather than saying South Arabia. It's not end of my career to come to South Africa, he told media as he was presented at the Riyadh club where thousands of fans feted his signing for an estimated 200 million euros. In addition, we got to know that currently Cristiano Ronaldo has been banned from making his debut for Al Nassr tomorrow by the English Football Association. Well, what's your take on this? So this is all for today. Stay tuned for us. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Have a good day.